For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A new study has found that wearing masks can reduce one's risk of getting infected with COVID-19 by over 65%. The research was conducted by a team from the University of California, Davis Children's Hospital. Researchers had believed that wearing masks was only beneficial to prevent the transmission of COVID-19, but the new study suggests that mask also protects a person from falling ill.
Everyone should wear a mask. People who say, I don't believe masks work, are ignoring scientific evidence. It's not a belief system. It's like saying, I don't believe in gravity.
COVID-19 spreads mainly in two ways, the first being droplets that are discharged into the atmosphere when a person coughs or sneezes. Scientists say the droplets are over 1/3 the size of a human hair but are visible to the naked eye. The second way through which the virus can spread is through the aerosol particles sprayed into the air. Particles sprayed when people speak are 1/100th the size of human hair and nearly impossible to see through the naked eye. The second mode of transmission is a little dangerous compared to the first, but can be lessened by avoiding crowded spaces and maintaining social distance. Researchers say that virus stays alive for some time in the form of aerosols.
Studies in laboratory conditions now show the virus stays alive in aerosol form with a half-life on the scale of hours. It persists in the air. That's why you want to be outdoors for any social situations if possible. The good airflow will disperse the virus. If you are indoors, think about opening the windows. You want as much fresh air as possible.
Multiple studies have found that various forms of masks can stop the droplets from entering the lung. A recent study states that droplets between 20 to 500 micrometers released by a person talking were blocked when a person's mouth was covered with a mask. Researchers say that masks offer better protection than face shields.
The way to think about that is to think about smells. If the person on the other side of a cubicle or plexiglass is wearing perfume, eventually you'll smell it. The aerosol particles are small enough to travel on air, much like aromas. That's why airflow is so important, along with other actions like wearing masks and social distancing. So we don't know who might spread it. We do know social distancing reduces the risk of transmitting the virus by 90%, and wearing masks decreases the risk by 65%.
As the COVID-19 cases are increasing rapidly every day and vaccine a distant dream, wearing masks and social distancing is the only way to protect yourself from the deadly pandemic.